Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the bulls are reaching for this upper band. A little bit of a breakout yesterday, higher high today. They're trying to follow through. The daily upper band is sitting around 17, probably be sitting around 20 by the time price could get up there. We've traded as high as 27.06 in Globex. So, I mean, the bulls are trying to press their advantage, which you would expect. What this turns into is kind of a 2017 situation, which is you had the weekly pivot here early in the week, and there was really no interest in testing it or trying to convert it by the bears. This was your best attempt right here on Tuesday afternoon. It got rejected. And then what you've seen then is just hourly mid-band support here and again here. And, a creation of higher highs, higher lows and higher highs all the way up and through. And that is very typical of a market that wants to trade to the upper band. Lower band, middle band, upper band, middle band, lower band. That's been the deal all year long. And let me show you that on the daily. Upper, middle, lower. Lower, middle, upper. Upper, middle, lower. Lower, middle, what's next? I mean, it's like the whole, it's like the pattern thing that your kids do. What's next? Well, we know what's next. It's the upper band. Unless you get news or something that's going to break the chain, it's upper band. And we saw yesterday the beginnings of that kind of a move. Powerful move to the upside once they came back and established the 50-day as support. So you had tests yesterday as low as 66.5 in Globex. That was a test of the daily mid-band. Then you had that 100-day, 50-day convert. And once that happened, we were off to the races to go print 2,700. It paused at the roundy, which you would expect. Little profit taking into the close, and then up and over. So now what you want to see is 2,700 going to be support? I've got our proprietary moving average and VWAP coming in right at 2,700 with the 5-minute mid-band at 2,701. So when 9:30 in the morning happens, I'm watching for a pullback into that area that can't get through. If it can't get through, I'm a buyer. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. The bears have a lot to prove, and I'm going to make them show me in a week where we've done well. We did 14 and change yesterday, 14 the day before, 19 the day before that. So it's been a good week. It's been a great start to May. So look, I have no problem buying dips and forcing the bears to show me that they're present and want to actually convert things that are support into resistance before I would ever get short. The trap you can fall into in this market is running around trying to short every pop that you see. Because what you're fighting against is this upward move. Bears, they have to show you. They have to show you that they can get it done. They've got to show you that they can turn things into resistance. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. It was nice to get a wrap up yesterday. Well, basically, if you haven't seen that, check it out. I walked through our 72 markers, 73 long. It was a beautiful 20 plus handle winner for us. Just walked through what we saw in the room and what we put out. So everybody have a great day. I'll talk to you then, and until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.